Hi everyone, welcome to my new setup here in the home office. Most of us are working from home and now getting acquainted with the new lifestyle. This setting is familiar probably for most of you. However, the distance learning experience is new for most of us. So we're gonna do our best to try and get you as comfortable as possible. In episode 34, we introduced Google Hangouts Meet. The service has been opened up to all students for continued engagement and interaction, but it does pose some risks. This is an opportunity for us to educate our students and parents on the proper uses of this tool. Some things to keep in mind is to avoid video conferencing with individual students. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to get an entire classroom of students into a Hangout Meet. First, go to meet.google.com. Click Join or Start a Meeting and give it a name. To invite your students, copy the meeting link using this button here. Then post this link on Seesaw, Google Classroom, or simply email it. We recommend that you practice. Building leaders, please reach out to your staff and conduct short 15-minute test sessions. Do a couple trial runs if possible. Teachers, we recommend that you reach out to your grade level team. Run a couple trials. Run as many as you need to get comfortable. Your students, they'll need a couple trial runs as well. The prompts you guys will see will be ones to enable your microphone and webcam. So you'll need to first work out those kinks and also establish classroom protocols, like if you join, the first thing you do is mute your microphone. In the next video, I'll show you how to establish a Meet live stream and also record your sessions in case you want to use this tool to build lessons in advance. Thank you for watching. See you next time.